Show you a quick design idea. I took these images of granny squares off the internet somewhere. Just did a quick search because I'm trying to come up with a new design for an Afghan or whatever. So this is kind of what I do to kind of get my thought process going. So I get these pictures and I put them into a Word document, or like in my case I'm using Open Office because it's free. And I just insert images. You just go and insert images, pictures from your file. And you pick your granny square, open it up, put it in your document. Okay, then all you got to do is copy and paste it. That didn't work. Copy, here we go. Paste, alright. Oh, it's not working. Copy and paste, there we go. Okay, so you have your, and you can select these individually so you can rotate them however you want. So say you want to do that, and you put one here, and you click this one, you flip that one in a different direction. Say like that. I know that looks kind of dumb, but you know, you get the idea. And you just flip that around, play with them, create a different design than you've ever seen, or it'll give you an idea. You can put them closer together so they kind of look. It's kind of like what you're going after. And that will kind of give you an idea of what you want to crochet. So before you go and crochet all these granny squares and you don't really have an idea, because I know a lot of times you just start crocheting granny squares and you just say, oh, okay, let's try putting these together and which way to order them. So this is a good way to come up with it before you go to crocheting all that stuff. Just thought that might help you some.